Mwakoi, Mwakoi. Today I'm going to talk about a proverb. As I've been saying, there is no KILUBA without proverb. So I would like us to be cultivating ourselves with more proverb, and the more we gain vocabularies, the more we also retain proverbs, what we call in KILUBA KINDJI. So we will be working on KINDJI. Today we will be talking about the following KINDJI, which is Bababa shi idimi, kebababa shi imwana. Bababa shi idimi, kebababa shi imwana. This means that they will defame, or they will talk, they will criticize, or they will talk in a bad way for about a pregnancy or a baby in the belly of the mother. They will talk about in the bad way about a fetus. They will talk about in the bad way about the baby still in the belly of the mother, but they will not talk, criticize or talk or defame a child. So they would defame a fetus, but not a child. This means that children know instinctively their haters. They know instantly who hate them, who loves them, who hate them. So it's important to be very careful when you have to criticize a child or say bad things about a child. So when you talk, you need to be really very careful about what you're saying, because children, and even though they're very little, they know exactly what's going on. They will know instinctively who hates them, who love them. So that's what I want to present today. In French, they will say ils peuvent parler du mal du fœtus, et ils ne peuvent pas parler du mal d'un enfant. Ils peuvent parler du mal d'un fœtus, ils ne peuvent pas parler du mal d'un enfant. Ceci dit, cela veut dire que les enfants peuvent, d'une manière instinctive, connaître ce qui se passe, connaître ceux qui les aiment ou ceux qui les détestent. So, ce qui veut dire qu'il faut faire attention quand tu veux parler aux enfants. Il faut ce proverbe est donné beaucoup plus à ceux qui, n'est-ce pas, n'ont pas beaucoup de freins à leur façon de parler. Et quand les enfants font quelque chose, une chose quelconque, vous êtes prêt à critiquer et dire du mal de l'enfant. Faites attention, l'enfant peut être là, l'enfant peut connaître instinctivement that vous le détestez, vous l'aimez ou vous le détestez. So, bababa shi dimi, kebababa shi mwana. So, thank you for listening and following this video. Very interesting. Bababa shi mwana, bababa shi dimi, kebababa shi mwana. So faites attention. Be careful when you talk to children. Children can identify who love them, who hate them. God bless you. Shalaipo. Bye.